Oh, this is so cute.
I know you want it. Put it on your head.
It's under her. She's like, I got it, I got it. Lovey, did she get the ball? Oh, she gets to chew on it for a while, huh?
So I'll get a different one. I got a different one.
She sure did. Look at that. She's never let Charlie chew on anything.
Not the first time.
Yeah.
She's bringing all the balls over to the puppy. How great is that?
You're so cute. You are.
Did you find someone that wants your balls? Like, oh, I wouldn't mind having that one too.
There we go. She's like, that's fine. I wanted this one anyway.
I like the busted ones. Dislocate my jaw to bite it.
Lovey, you have a friend? A new friend with balls? You got a new ball friend? Yes, you do.
Get your ball.
Get the ball.
Get the ball.
Get the ball. Right there. No, get it and take the ball. Get the ball. Take it out of there. Get the ball. It's like, no, I'm not doing it because you want me to. Hey, what? You're a ball thief.
Look, she's like, oh, that's okay. I got this one.
It's like, I don't care. There's so many balls.
There's balls up. No, Lovey wants that one.
It's like, this ball's kind of fun. It's wobbly.
Look how she's laying.
I know. I seen it earlier. You can't get more relaxed than that now.
She's pretty chill, yeah.
Give it to what for?
Lovey, get your ball. Get your ball. Get your ball.
Yeah, so cute.
Good girl.
Okay, let's get a close up. It's like you're a little too close.
Oh my gosh. That was almost tug of war.
It almost was. It's like, come on, take it. You know you want to take it. No, this one right here. This one. That one.
Accidentally
That's
dropped
the
it
one.
at you.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Do you see her stitched out?
I see her.
Okay, close up. Down. Whoop. There it is. It's like, what is that? That was so cute. What? Give me that.
Precious.
I think that Lovey and Joy are going to be great. She's just going to get a little bit bigger and then it's going to be on like Donkey Kong.
It's like love and joy go well together.
Okay. See you later.